how to make welcome channel in Discord MEE6. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Discord on our browser. So once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, log in into our account and then go into the server where you want to create the welcome channel. Now, once you're here, let's say, for example, that this is the channel that we're going to use. Now, the next thing that we need to do on the text channels is to click the plus button right here. So we're going to create a channel and then we're going to name it welcome channel. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to make sure that it is on text and then click create channel. Once you click create channel, the next thing that we need to do is to open another browser and then type mee6.xyz. Now, once you do that, you will be redirected into this website. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to click add to Discord. So once you click add to Discord right there, the next thing that we need to do is to allow MEE6 to access our Discord account. So just scroll down right here and then click authorize. Once you do that, let's select the channel that we want to use. So click this. And then in this part, on the plugins, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down until you see this welcome channel. So the next thing that we need to do is to click enable, which is right here, and then click activate welcome channel. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to choose the welcome channel that we have created, which is right here. So choose this. And then once you do that, just scroll down and then you will now be able to customize your welcome channel. So this is where you will be able to see it. So you can choose your theme right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this. So you can click that. And then if you want to also, of course, use the gaming, it's up to you. So I will just leave it as it is. And then let's scroll down. And then let's say, for example, that you want to edit this. So all you have to do is to double click on that. And then let's say, for example, we want to remove this. And then, of course, we're going to put, let's say, for example, subscribe right there. Now, of course, it's up to you if you want to put some links, some rules, some mods, it's up to you. And then if you want to add another element, all you have to do is to click this. And then you can either choose advanced, custom, welcome channel, welcome banner, and so on. And then after that, let's say, for example, that you are now already done with this. All you have to do is to click the publish button, which is right here. And then before you can use it, make sure to upgrade to premium so you can fully publish it. After that, that should be it. If you go back here into Discord, you will now be able to see the welcome channel right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to make welcome channel in Discord MEE6.